In this video, I will show you how to connect Fal.ai to GitHub account. So to get started, go ahead and access GitHub on this page. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. So to be able to check if Fal.ai has been connected to your GitHub account, click on your profile icon at the top right and then click on settings under that, and then on settings you'll be able to get redirected into the section. So on the left side of your screen, scroll down and then click on applications. So under applications, you'll be able to check the applications connected into your GitHub account. So in here, go ahead and check if Fal.ai has been connected into your account by clicking on this Authorize OAuth Apps tab to be able to check all of the authorized applications connected into your GitHub account. Now, if it was not yet connected, you can go ahead and open Fal.ai on another browser tab. So go ahead and access another browser tab and then search for Fal.ai. Now, in here, click on that Get Started button at the top right of your screen. And then in here, go ahead and click on this Continue with GitHub to automatically connect your GitHub account with your Fal.ai account. So you need to authorize the connection between the two accounts. And then once you have authorized that, you can go ahead and find Fal.ai under the authorized applications on your GitHub account. And that's basically how you can connect Fal.ai to GitHub account.